Okay, Assalamu alaikum. My name's Sakina. I've been Muslim for about 40 years.
All right, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sebastian Guzman. I am of Chilean Mexican descent. You know what? I'm now a Muslim.
My name's Matthew Norre. I'm 21 years old and I've been a Muslim for 5 years, alhamdulillah.
Can you tell us where and when you were first introduced to Islam?
Yeah, the first place I was introduced to Islam was in cell number 6 on the second landing in Old Silverwater Prison.
After accepting Islam, did you face hurdles?
Yes, many. And I believe from my personal experience, people who revert to Islam do get tested. I got tested with everything. Eventually I ended up just me and Allah. And that was good. That was really good.
The big pivoting point for me was the time of that Link Cafe siege when Islamophobia following that just ramped up.
Talk to us about brotherhood and friendship before Islam compared to after.
Brotherhood without Islam is based on material objects, material things. You take away the cars, you take away the girls, the money, the clothes, the parties, the lifestyle, the drinks, whatever you may call it. When I started basing my friendship with other people for the love and sake of Allah, it became so much easier to be friends with people.
And if we touch base a bit on your relationship with the Quran, how strong was your relationship and what's your favorite verse?
Okay, initially when I first became Muslim, that's how I became Muslim, by reading the Quran.
So you had one piece of advice to anybody out there who's not a Muslim but might be considering looking into Islam, what would you say to them?
In this day and age in the Western world, the amount of misguidance that is around us, the amount of misinformation about Islam is probably one of the worst things that I've ever seen.
My mother is still not a Muslim, but I think that through me leading by example, me being a good example, inshallah, she might be able to become a Muslim. My sister don't talk to me. One of the big portions of that is that I'm a Muslim.
Could we go back and just assume that you hadn't become a Muslim and how your life would have, what trajectory you would have?
Oh, I think I'd be dead by now. Before I became Muslim, I didn't have a very nice life. So I think that would have really, I don't think I would be alive now.
Ever regret it?
Have I ever regretted Islam? Never. Never. I would never regret Islam. Islam has changed my life in so many ways.
Sebastian, do you regret it?
Do I regret becoming a Muslim? Never. I was born to be a Muslim.
And if you had one dua, one request from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what would that be?
Okay, so I would make dua that I can do the deeds in this life that would help me achieve Jannah al-Firdaus. Inshallah.